Did you know that Shastri is not the real surname of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji? Today we generally see lady conductors in public transport, but this was possible only because of initiatives of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. In today's video, we are going to learn about 5 forgotten facts, or you can say life lessons from Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. So, let's dive in. Hi, this is Tejas Bhosle and welcome to my English YouTube channel The Tejas Motivation. Me and my team always helps you to enhance your lifestyle and pump up daily motivation in your mind. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit that red subscribe button, press the bell icon and give us a thumbs up. First life lesson from Lal Bahadur Shastri ji is always fight with caste system. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji was so much against the caste system that he dropped his surname. Yes, you heard it right. Shastri ji is not a real surname of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Shastri is actually a title bestowed by Kashi Vidyapith as a mark of his scholarly achievement. Second life lesson from Lal Bahadur Shastri ji is become patriotic from young age. Do you know that Lal Bahadur Shastri ji was part of non-cooperation movement started by Mahatma Gandhi ji, and at that time he was only 16 years old. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji always believed that if youth of India becomes disciplined and hardworking, then definitely India will be far ahead of future. Sadly, very few young people are following that. Third life lesson from Lal Bahadur Shastri ji is always remain compassionate and forward thinking. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji had many pioneering initiatives in his credit. For example, he was the one who actually started the water jet method in order to spread public instead of lathi charge. He was the one who actually allowed women to become bus conductor in public transport. He was the one who raised the slogan of Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan during Indo-Pakistan war. And finally, the main credit for stopping dowry system goes to Lal Bahadur Shastri ji only. Fourth life lesson from Lal Bahadur Shastri ji is simple living and high thinking. As I already mentioned, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji was against dowry system. But when he was marrying in 1928, his in-laws forced him to accept dowry. And Lal Bahadur Shastri ji accepted only charkha and few khadi clothes as a dowry. When he passed away, he was hardly having any property in his possession. He left only few books and his kurta and pajama. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, when he was young kid, he used to swim across the river in order to reach school, so that he could save some money of his impoverished family to pay for boat ride. Fifth life lesson from Lal Bahadur Shastri ji is honesty is best policy. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji never allowed his family to use his official car. So his family bought a Fiat car for 12,000 rupees, and out of that 12,000 rupees, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji took a loan of 5,000 rupees. And after sudden death of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji, his widow was paying that loan from his pension. Once, as a Prime Minister, Lal Bahadur Shastri ji visited a textile mill with his wife, and owner of that textile mill offered to gift him some expensive saris. Lal Bahadur Shastri ji apparently refused to accept that gift. Instead, he insisted on buying those saris and paying for them. When Lal Bahadur Shastri ji became a Prime Minister, his son was offered a promotion. But Lal Bahadur Shastri ji asked his son to reject that offer because he never wanted to take advantage of his position. These are 5 forgotten life lessons from Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. Please share this video with maximum people, because in today's society, these life lessons and these qualities are very rare to find. And as a person, even if you follow any one of those life lessons, then India will be much better place to live. Thank you very much.